I have already written HTML code. In the body tag I have given one div with the width 300 pixel and margin R2. In this div tag I have a select tag with two options, multiply and divide, with value multi and value div. You can give any value here. Then we have two input field with ID INP1 and another input is INP2. And third input we have given just to display the result here of this both above inputs. Now to send the value of this option value, I will define here function onChange. As you know, you have to always use onChange function with the select tag. I am giving this function name cal. This function has to send this value of selection. Here I will define variable x, y. Now I will define variable x to get the value from first input field. The first input field name is ID is INP1. Similarly, second variable will get the value from second input field. Now I will define this variable d to get the value of select option. So this ID name is operation. Now in the variable z we will get the value of this operation of the x and y. Okay. So for this I will give one condition here. If variable d is equal to the first select value, say multi for multiplication, then put the value of this first two variables x and y into z variable. So star are denoting the multiplication, and this value we will put in the third input field. That third input field ID is res, that is resulting the result. Which will be replaced by variable z. Now we will define another condition for divide. If d is equal to div, then divide, okay, x by y, and then replace the value in the result with variable z. So you got your idea. So now we are getting this value of the first input field in the variable x, and we are getting the value of second input field in the variable y, and then as per this select option, which is denoting the multiplication or divide, then you are doing the function and then replacing the value in input field. So it's how simple. So now let's check the result. So our format is looking like this. We'll put here value, say 4, and in the input field 2. Since in the input field we have not given any function, so these values are not getting automatically. So I will tell that later on. Now we will select the second option, so you see divide. Now it is dividing, so the value of first input field is get divided by second input value and result is coming 2. Okay, now you if select multiplication, you see again the result is coming properly like this. Now if we change the value here itself in the input field, then also result should work. So for this, in the input field I will give on key up function, and I will write the function name as cal itself, because this we already defined. So just copy paste in the second input field. Okay. So now you see when we enter any value in this input field, it automatically invoke the function and result will be displayed in the result input field. So refresh the page. Now I am putting the value, say 10, then say 5. So you see the multiplication on key up, automatically the result is coming. Just we have to change the value and result is coming. Now I am changing this option value to divide. So you see it is getting automatically divide like this. So in this way, from drop down menu also you can select the mathematical operation and get the result. Thank you for watching.